Hello there and welcome to Foundations of Yoga Asana with Andrea Yoga today. And in today's tutorial, we're going to be practicing Bhunamanasana, which literally translated from Sanskrit means greeting the earth, considered to be a traditional Hatha yoga posture, also known as the spinal twist prostration pose. It is a seated asana in which the spine is twisted in an effort to reach the upper body to the floor behind, with the face and the palms down. Practicing this pose creates a sense of surrender to Mother Earth. So, to practice this posture, we begin with the legs extended in the back upright with the hands resting on the thighs. Sitting bones should be rooted to the floor or the mat and the feet nicely flexed. Inhale to lift the arms parallel with the legs and lengthen through the spine. As we exhale to lean the body back slightly and twist over towards the left-hand side. Place the palms down on the floor behind you, bending in at the elbows to lower the forehead to work towards the floor or working towards, maintaining length through the spine as you do. Allow the breath to guide you deeper into the pose, with the exhale yielding the upper body that bit closer to the earth. While in the pose, be sure not to lift the buttocks or the hips from the floor where possible. To come out of the twist, inhale, lifting the body upright and extending the arms parallel to the legs. Exhale to return to the starting position. This completes one round on the left-hand side, and the same steps should be completed on the right-hand side. Avoid this pose if you are suffering with injuries sustained in the lower lumbar spine, if you suffer with hernia or slipped discs. Benefits of Bhunamanasana are that they include improving the flexibility of the lumbar and the thoracic spine, strengthening these areas and maintaining mobility within the spine. This pose also aids digestion and provides a massage to the visceral organs. Thank you so much for practicing Bhunamanasana with me today. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for now. Namaste.